Hey guys, it's Epic Creaky, and today we're gonna be going to a DNS 5000. It's right at this gas station up here. You can start to see the car wash. Well, not right now, but you can once we get past these. Okay, there it is, right there. Oh, you can see it. It's actually in use right now. Cool. I have never been to one of these machines before, so it's pretty cool to... You can see it going down the front. Looks like it's rocking back and forth a little bit. Okay, so it looks like it was doing the spot-free rinse then. Okay, it's kind of drizzling water. It's kind of funny. Alright, he's checking his card right now. It's the wash options right there. Wash Deluxe Super Ultimate. Checking credit. Credit accepted. It'll say when we can drive forward. Okay, we can drive forward now. Okay, so it's gonna be exciting. I haven't been in one of these systems before. So we have DNS 5000 touch-free, and that is a 5 to some people. Oh. There's a floor treadle, so it'll tell you when. You can see one of the arms right there. There we go. Reverse camera. Alright, now it's coming back around. Great covering a pre-soak. It's going down the front now. Double pass. Alright, looks like it's gonna do its high pressure back there now. It's getting ready to do it. It's actually shaking the car. It's doing a really good job. Oh, it actually does have tri-foam. Oh, that's weird. I didn't know the tri-foam came out of the sprayers on the top. That's super cool. I thought it came out of little sprayers on the sides. That's different. And then high pressure again. All just washing away. Okay, there's no, actually there is. It's doing spot-free rinse right now. I didn't even notice that. It's kind of hard to see behind all the water.
There's no blowers.
Yeah, there's no air dryers because it uses spot-free water, so when it dries, there should be no sign of it ever being wet. Then it goes down the thing. I always think that looks really cool. And that's it. So, yeah. Exit, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the DNS 5000 at the, I'll check what franchise it is, but of the gas station. Actually, no, because it's not part of the gas station. Baywash Car Wash. Okay, so it's the DNS 5000 at the Baywash Car Wash. That's pretty cool. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. And I will see you guys later. Bye!